work night shift and shit. Severe weather storm, 8 p.m. I go to work at 6:30. Gotta be clocked in by 6:30. You feel me? First break coming around. Okay, it's snowing. Okay. Lunch coming around. I'm not knowing what to expect because I can't see outside. It's a big ass factory. I'm sitting there. It don't feel cold yet. My dumb ass opened them doors. Nothing but snow. And, you know, you can't really shovel snow when it's falling that hard. So, I'm walking to my car, slipping and sliding, you know, a little bit. It's kind of slick, kind of not. Tell me how it was only snowing for about an hour and a half. I say about this much snow has fell. Mind you, it's still snowing. We're gonna skip all the way till 3 in the morning when I get off, right? 3 in the morning. I start my car. You know, that's what my shit sound like. It got a motherfucker. That's all it's not that. So, I started my car. You know, I'm getting out the parking lot. They're trying to shovel the snow out the way with these tractors and shit. Not working. I gotta go 5 miles an hour through this parking lot. I gotta take the bypass home. And like I said, they're trying to shovel snow out the parking lot. The street plowers have not came out yet. It's 3 in the morning. They're not out till like 4:30. Bro, I have to take the bypass to get home. The roads aren't shoveled. Listen, are you listening? The roads are not shoveled. What do you think happened? Somehow I was the first one on the bypass. No car lines. You can't see a fucking thing. Bro, I had no idea where I was on the road. I had about 3 cars behind me just trying to follow me, making sure they don't spin the fuck out. Bro, you know how much stress was on me to not go off the road? Because I was the only one in the front. Nigga, the odds happen every time it snows. I'm always the first one on the fucking road, and I have to lead everybody. Nigga, I was going 15 to 30 on the bypass. Bitch, that shit is 65 to 75, my nigga. Not really 75. The speed limit is 65. I just be speeding. I wish you would have crashed that weak ass truck. Weak ass truck, nigga. You know what that exhaust sound like? Let me show you again. Jeffy, I'm put that dick on you. Where the fuck have you been? I haven't heard from you in a long time, bro. Mind you say, my house is kind of far out too. Not really far, but like, you know, out leading to the country. Nigga, nobody has plowed the streets. I'm trying to figure out how to get to my fucking house. Nigga. Driving in rain is smooth. Driving in snow, I can't fucking do, bro. I can't see shit. I don't know. It's so white, it blinds me. That shit is like... I was really hyper-focused. You didn't like my message I sent back? Let's expose this gay-ass nigga, bro. That is the end of the story time. I made it home safely. I got on my street and did 3 burnouts. I was in that bitch drifting. I was going... The neighbors were probably mad at me because I was doing it over and over. I was spamming the exhaust, bro. Nigga, it was fun. I was like, damn, I wonder what these niggas be feeling like drifting them trucks in the parking lot. I did that shit on my street. And it's a little corner. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say.